Welcome to the LitAssist video help series. This video outlines the steps to get you started in creating a comprehensive literature evaluation. Note, the goal of LitAssist is twofold. The first is to help you organize your literature. Even if you only use LitAssist to document the basics of research literature, you will never lose track of articles relating to your topic of interest. However, our main goal is to guide you through the literature review process so you develop comprehensive evaluations of your literature. Your evaluations will lead you to learn and synthesis of the information you evaluate. Creating a new review. To create a new review, log into LitAssist. Select the Evaluations tab, then select Create and Edit. Or, from the home page, you can select Create a new evaluation. When creating a new review, at a minimum, you are required to enter the type of literature, book, journal, website, etc., and a title. Changing the type of literature will change the fields to allow LitAssist to generate a proper reference. Enter information from the research source into all applicable fields. Note, hover your mouse cursor over an information icon to display help messages to assist you in what to enter. If a value is not included in a drop-down list, simply select the plus icon next to the field. Example, when entering a new journal, select the plus icon next to the journal. The system will prompt you with a pop-up, just enter your journal name. When entered, select Save. The journal you just entered is displayed. Article relevance. As you review an article, you may find the article highly relevant or not relevant to your research at all. However, this does not mean the article may not be of value in a future research project. So, you can rate your review in the rating column to indicate the level of relevance for your current project. This field allows you to filter your evaluations if you only want highly relevant evaluations. Citations. The Citations field allows you to, using your perception, the amount of citations used in the evaluated research. Highly cited research may suggest a lot of research from the author, however a slightly cited review may indicate more opinion than research. Peer review. The peer-reviewed field allows you to indicate whether the article or book you are reviewing was peer-reviewed. Peer-reviewed articles provide better credibility to the author. URLs. LitAssist allows you to store two URLs to allow you to retrieve the original article, or to retrieve a local, marked up copy. Note, because LitAssist is in the cloud, you can only reference online articles. So, we recommend you store your local copies in a repository such as OneDrive, Google Docs, SkyDrive, Dropbox, etc. Authors. To add an author, select the Add Author to Evaluation button located in the Author section of the General Info tab. You will be prompted with a pop-up. Here, you can select an existing author, or add a new author to the list. To add an existing author, simply select the checkbox next to the author's name. Complete this step until you identified all authors contributing to the reviewed research. To add a new author, select the Add New Author button. You can now enter as much information as desired. At a minimum, last name and first name should be entered. Note, if the author is an organization or website, then enter the organization or website in the last name field. Once completed, select Save. This author is now checked in the list. Repeat this adding new author step until all authors contributing to the research are entered. Once completed, click Save to add the authors to the review. References. The reference uses the authors in the order they appear in the author section of the review. To sort the authors, click and drag an author to the correct location. Example: the primary, or first author of the literature should be at the top of the author list. Save the evaluation. Note, you may need to refresh the reference by clicking the refresh icon located above the reference. Copy reference. Once the reference is properly generated, you can copy the full reference or the in-text citation. Press the Ctrl plus the C keys on your keyboard. Select the location for the reference in your document and press the Ctrl plus the V key to paste the reference. To copy in-text citations, select the in-text icon located above the reference. Once clicked, the in-text is displayed. To copy, highlight the in-text citation and press the Ctrl plus the C keys on your keyboard. Select the location in your document where you want to paste. To paste, press the Ctrl plus the V keys on your keyboard. Basic. You now have the basic element to organize your research. At this point, we recommend you save the review by select the Save button located at the top of the review screen. As with any application, we recommend saving data frequently. Summary. The summary section can be used as an abstract to the evaluation. It is strongly recommended you complete each field in your own words to avoid plagiarism. If you are quickly reviewing an article and wanted to cut and paste an existing abstract, then we suggest placing quotes around your entry with a page or paragraph number. The goal is to write in your own words, so once your evaluation is completed, you only need to cut and paste your entry into your research. The summary can be as brief or lengthy as you deem reasonable for you to understand your evaluation. Scope. The Scope tab allows you to identify the population and/or sample used in the research being evaluated. Note, if the research you are evaluating is another literature review, then this tab will not apply. To add scope to your evaluation, click the plus icon below the Quantity and Scope Type section of the Scope tab. Enter the quantity. This field only allows numeric values. Then enter the population type. Example, quantity equals 100 and type equals female. Select the plus icon to add additional scope items. Repeat this as many times as needed to identify the population and sample. The notes section can be used to further clarify the population. Example, the participants of the study were from a university in northeastern United States. Instrument. The Instrument tab allows you to identify each instrument used in the evaluated research. To add a new instrument, select the plus icon located below the Research Instrument section of the Instrument tab. If you previously used an instrument, you can select it from the drop-down list. To add a new instrument to the drop-down list, select the plus icon next to the field. You will see a pop-up displayed. Enter the instrument name, example, semi-structured interview. Select Save when completed. Your new instrument is now displayed in the drop-down. You can also indicate whether or not the author found the instrument to be valid. Example, if the author indicated a survey was pre-tested prior to the research, you may want to select the valid checkbox. To remove an instrument, click the garbage can icon. Repeat these steps until all instruments are added. Use the Notes section to further explain the instrument. Example, indicate type of assessment used on the instrument results. Tabs. To complete your evaluations, complete each tab if appropriate. Note, not all fields are required to create a full review. Each tab has questions and prompts for examples of what to enter. When completed, save your review. To learn how to export your reviews, watch our Reporting How to video. You can find the link in the Help tab under Reporting. Once you entered your data and save, you can now locate and edit your evaluation from the evaluation list. Filter. As you add more and more evaluations, you will find it beneficial to use our filtering feature. If you wanted to filter your evaluations, you can access this feature by selecting the Evaluations tab, then Filter Evaluations. From the Filter page, you can enter filters into any of the fields listed on the page. For this example, we will filter just on the project. We will select Emotional Intelligence. Select Apply Filter. Now, you will notice that only a couple evaluations of the nearly 500 we have stored in our demo account are displayed. Select one of the evaluations by clicking on the title. The evaluation is displayed. If you want to view the other evaluation, you can do so without leaving this page. Simply click the evaluation listing link above the evaluation tabs. Notice that both evaluations are visible, and you can switch between these evaluations until your evaluation and/or synthesis tasks are complete. To remove the filter to view all evaluations, go back to the Filter page, Evaluations tab from the main menu, then Filter Evaluations. Once the filter page is displayed, select the Reset Filter button to clear any fields, then select Apply Filter. Thank you for taking the time to review our video series. To get more specific on any of our topics, please be sure to visit the Help page, located from the main menu to view more of our how-to videos. We are confident that the consistent use of LitAssist will result in a full library of your evaluations. If you apply correct topics, you will never lose track of your research again.